So growth, new team members, primarily in sales, new sectors. We talked earlier about eco, the big push for renewables, electric cars. So that's one thing we'll do, own book. With lenders being more difficult in terms of how quickly they make a decision, how quickly the documentation is prepared, we've seen a massive reduction in our customer service from our lenders. Our own book enables us to get round those problems. So we've got the funding. We have a great team here that will enable us to go out and win more dealers, more clients, because we can give that 5-star service, which is, you know, the core of our business. So 21, I'm excited.